So now I'm going to show you the easiest way to use two different WhatsApp account in your laptop computer. Go to your browser, you can use any browser and then type web.whatsapp.com and then you will directly jump into official WhatsApp web page. Here we can see the instructions to connect our WhatsApp here. Now you have to go to your mobile device. Now it's time to log into our first WhatsApp account. To do that, go to your mobile device. On your mobile, go ahead and open the WhatsApp app and tap on settings. And here tap on linked devices. Tap on link a device and scan this QR code from your mobile. Once you successfully scanned, you will be logged in to your WhatsApp account from your computer. And now from here you can use your WhatsApp from this browser. And now to use or add your second WhatsApp account, you can open a different browser or you can open a incognito window. In my case, I'm adding a different browser and the same way I'm opening web.whatsapp.com and do the same thing on your mobile. Open your second WhatsApp and tap on this three dot, tap on linked devices and tap on link a device and scan this QR code from your mobile WhatsApp and you will be logged into your second WhatsApp from your computer. And now you can easily use two different WhatsApp accounts on your computer, just like so. So this is my first WhatsApp account and this is my second WhatsApp account, as you can see.